Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to come on and talk all things MAC, and it's going to be MAC concealers today. It's the 24-hour Studio Fix. It's their 24-hour smooth wear concealer. And these concealers are the bomb. The problem is I had such a tough time trying to figure out what shade actually am I, you know? So I just basically bought a bunch of them because I was like, you know what, no more going and them matching me and it just not even being correct in the first place. So I wound up figuring out after buying 8 concealers that I am shade NW51. So and then in foundation I am NW50. So guys, for years I have been wearing the wrong shade, not even realizing it and just really like wondering, why am I looking so crazy in my photos? And basically it's because I was the undertones were wrong, just everything was just wrong. So it took a lot of like playing around with it to get things right. Okay, so let's start with my shade. So my shade is NW50, I'm sorry, 51, and this is what that looks like. So the next shade I have is, and I just want to show you how close some of these are, but the undertones are different. So this is NW50. So this is 51 right here, and this is 50. So still fairly close. I can get away with wearing this one too, but I just feel like this one just blends into my skin much better. And then I just wanted to mention that this one has more of a reddish undertone. So I'm neutral, so I am, I don't have that red undertone. And the next shade is NW45. So NW45, NW51, and NW50. All right, so for years, guys, I have been wearing NW45. Look how light this is. You can only imagine how crazy I was looking on the streets, in these streets. Terrible. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's see. Okay, so this one is a classic that everybody, we all swear up and down wear this shade, which is NC50. So this is NC50. Very light. So now that we're into it, so NC is neutral cool. And this is NC45. NC50, NC45. NC50, NC45. And this one is NC42. So NC50, NC45, and NC42. So I bought some of these lighter shades because I was trying to figure out what can I highlight with. And what I found is when I was highlighting with the NC, it was giving me this gray cast that I did not like. So And when I spoke to some of the people that worked at MAC, it's because the undertone is wrong. So I went ahead and I just stick with the NW Family, which is neutral warm. And then I just lighten the shades from there. So I basically use NW51 for my foundation shade, and then I will use NW45 to highlight, and that I feel like that gives me enough. I don't really particularly love the bright under eye. I think it looks good on some people. I just don't feel like I do it right, that I blend well enough for it to work for me. So until I get better with that, I'm going to stick to something that's closer to my skin tone, so I don't have to worry about if I blend it properly. And then I just wanted to show you a darker shade, which is NW53. So this is NW53. I have an NW55. I don't know where it is right now, but I did want to get this video out. So this will be my contour shade, followed by my highlighting shade, followed by my foundation shade. So this is my foundation shade, NW51, highlighting shade, NW45, and then my contour shade, NW53. And I feel like my makeup has been coming out much better since I'm staying within my undertone range. So I hope this video was helpful. In my next one, I'll show you guys like how I like to apply my makeup. I've stopped wearing so much makeup just because I've been really working on my acne, and I feel like the less makeup I wear, the less acne I have. That's not to say that it goes for everyone, but for me, for my skin type, that's kind of the rule for me, because my pores get clogged really quickly, and I just have a hard time keeping the acne away. So yeah, I am seeing a dermatologist. She has gotten my skin back to normal. I will post my skincare routine. You guys can follow it if you would like, and of course use any products that you feel comfortable using. She recommended these products that I will be using in my skincare routine, and yeah, they're a little pricey, but they work. So all right guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.